Today, we will see examples on the subtraction of decimal numbers. Madhu has covered a distance of 36.423 kilometers. She covered 31.8 kilometers by ship and the remaining distance by bus. What is the distance Madhu had covered by bus? From the example, it is clear that Madhu has covered a total distance of 36.423 kilometers. Out of this, she covered 31.8 kilometers by ship. We need to find the distance covered by her by bus. In order to find this, we need to subtract the distance covered by ship from the total distance she has travelled. Therefore, the distance covered by bus is equal to 36.423 kilometers minus 31.8 kilometers. To do the subtraction of these numbers, we will represent them one below the other according to their place values, so that the digits with the same place value come under the same column. We will write zeros at the place of the hundreds and thousands after 8. Can you tell me why we do this? Think for a while. Let me tell you. We do this because it is necessary to make the number of digits equal in both numbers. Since we can write any number of zeros to the right side of the decimal point, there will be no change in the value of the number. So let's subtract these. By subtracting the digits at thousands place, we get 3 at the thousands place as the result. By subtracting the digits at hundreds place, we get 2 at the hundreds place as the result. We cannot subtract the digits at tens place because the digit in the first row is smaller than the digit in the second row. So, we will borrow 1 from the units place. By doing so, the digits at units place is reduced to 5. 1 unit is equal to 10 tenths. That means there are 10 and 4 at the tens place. That is 14. We can subtract 8 from 14. Then we get 6 at the tens place as the result. And now, if we subtract the digits at units place, we get 4 at the units place as the result. Similarly, by subtracting the digits at tens place, we get 0 at the tens place of the result. As you can see, that 4 is at the units place, 6 at the tens place, 2 at the hundreds place, and 3 is at the thousands place. Therefore, we can say that 36.423 minus 31.8 is equal to 4.623. That is, Madhu has covered 4.623 kilometers by bus. Next example. Anand's bank account contains rupees 3,200. If he spends rupees 2,879.85 on online shopping, then how much money is left in his account? The total money in Anand's account is rupees 3,200 rupees. He spent rupees 2,879.85 on the online shopping. Therefore, the remaining amount is equal to total amount minus amount spent on shopping. That is, rupees 3,200 minus rupees 2,879.85. In order to obtain the result of this subtraction, let us write these decimal numbers one below the other. Take care to write the digits according to their place value. We cannot subtract the digits at hundreds place because 0 is smaller than 5. So, we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. But there is nothing to give at the tens place. So, we now borrow from the units place. But there is also nothing to give at the units place. So, we will borrow from the tens place. Here also, there is 0. So, it will borrow from the hundreds place. By doing so, 1 remains at hundreds place. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Therefore, we will add the digit at tens place with 10. Now, the value at this place is 10. If we give 1 from this to the units, 9 remains at the tens place. 110 is equal to 10 units. That means there are 10 units at the unit place. If we give 1 from this to the tens, 9 remains at units place and 10 at the tens place. In this way, we will keep borrowing. Now, the value at hundredth place is 10. Subtracting 5 from 10, we get 5, which is written in the hundredths place in the result. Similarly, by subtracting 8 from 9 at the tens place, we get 1, which is written in the tens place in the result. By calculating the same way, we get the result as 320.15 rupees. Now pause the video and try to understand how we solved this. Thus, the remaining money in Anand's account after the shopping is rupees 320.15. Today, we have seen examples on the subtraction of decimal numbers. In the next video, we will clear some misconceptions related to it.